what's up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the panda from Turning Red. Basically the red panda. Really cute design, really awesome. And I'm gonna go over kind of like the red panda scared, like, oh my gosh, kind of like in the poster. Very simple, completely for beginners. If you've never drawn anything, you will absolutely be able to draw this. So stay all the way to the very end. It's only like an 8-minute video. So let's jump into it and get started, okay? Hey, today we're gonna go over how to draw Turning Red. You know, when she turns into a panda, a red panda. And we're gonna go over kind of a shocked face this time, kind of like on the poster, essentially. So it's gonna be kind of like upper body. Should be simple, easy for beginners. So let's jump right into it, okay? The first thing I'm gonna do here, oops, my marker's screwed up. Ugh. The first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna curve along the top of the nose section. It's not gonna be the nose though. And it's gonna curve down over here, around. It's almost like a triangle shape. Down around here. It's like a soft triangle. Kind of the snout area. Then I'm gonna go over here and draw the nose, which is gonna be a little bit lower. So I'm gonna draw like a curved line here. Down here, and straight line down. Gonna go over here on this side. I'm gonna draw one of the eyes now. I'm gonna draw a circle on this side. Over here on this side, draw the same thing. Circle on that side. Should be the same size. I kind of, obviously the left one's too small, but it'll work. Dot over here. Dot over here, kind of in shock. Gonna go over here, the eyebrows, and they're gonna curve up over here. Curve up like that. Curve up like this. They look like Cheetos or something. Just gonna fill those out. Gonna go to the mouth now. Line out. Line out. Curve along. Curve along here. It's gonna pull up. Gonna pull up just a bit. Up just a bit. Like so. Gonna go over here. Line over here. Up. Line, line, line. Curve over here. Line over here on this side. Over here. Kind of filling in, obviously, the dark of the mouth, right? So we have this like scared expression, which you can already tell, really. So now really what we're doing is just drawing the rest of the body. Well, the upper body at least. Gonna go to the top of the head, maybe about yay level. Gonna pull a line. If you want, you can draw like zigzags here to, you know, because it'll give it the texture of fur, but for the most part, it's a straight line. You can still just draw a straight line. Doesn't make a difference if you do or don't. Gonna draw a line over here. This one I'm just gonna draw a line. And I'm gonna find the sides of the head over here. So it's gonna curve along the sides, right? That's kind of the idea. It's gonna be round. So on the way down, see, I already kind of, I'm on the way down, I'm gonna do this zigzag. All the way to the bottom. And the zigzagging is gonna give it a texture, you know? Over here on this side. Out. Zigzag a bit right here. We're gonna do the ear, obviously. Down over here. And the overall shape is a triangle. See, there's always an overall shape, and then there's like a texture, right? Which is the zigzagginess of the line. Okay? There's always an overall shape. Kind of remember that. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw stuff. Basically what it does, I post 3 how to draw videos a day. So you don't want to miss out. And the cool part is when you subscribe and click the bell notification, what it does is it just kind of shows you the thumbnail on your feed. You're going to see, you know, your regular feed, and it's just going to, my thumbnail or whatever of the videos here are going to pop up there, and then it'll show you what we're drawing. And you can decide that day whether you want to do it or not. So really, really cool. Highly recommend it. There's no downside to subscribing, and it helps the algorithm out here. So, all right, go over here. Let's do the other ear. So basically the exact same shape out over here. And a fuzzy triangle. Down. Go over in. Down. Go over in. Down. Zigzagging here. Let's go here, the face, because he's going to be holding his face. Sometimes he's holding on the front here, but I'm going to put on the sides. His little paw. Or her little paw, sorry. Over here. That's the thumb, a finger, and then we're going to go over here for the hands. And then we're going to draw maybe like a little finger in the back there. You can see. A finger here, finger in the back. Zigzag down here for the hands themselves. And since we're just doing the upper body, we're pretty much almost done, honestly. Maybe we can draw a little bit of the body going down. But we're vignetting. That's the whole idea. Vignette's going to gradually go down. And what I'm going to do here is the pattern. We are going to color this, but I'm still going to put the pattern here in line, if in case you're only going to do the line art, which is all good. Like, lighter line, by the way. Over here, the side, there's a white over here. Same thing over here on this side. It's just a thin zigzag to get the idea in. Over here and over here. And that's it. One last thing, I guess, you could throw in a few lines for whiskers. Usually they're showing around the edge here. But that is all. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this. If you want to upgrade your art skill overall from the ground up, I have free courses on drawing. They're completely free on my Skillshare. I'm going to make the announcement in a minute here. So that's pretty much it. Hit the like button on this video and any other video. And if you do want to help the channel out, there's 2 things you can do. The one, you can donate. There's the PayPal in the description. Every single, dollar spent goes to markers, to editing equipment, to just pretty much goes 100% back into the channel. So yeah, I only make about $10 a year on that donation thing. So yeah, that helps out. And then otherwise, for free, just share the video anywhere. If you share it with a friend or you share it on Twitter, anywhere, Reddit, any of that stuff helps. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and wait for the announcement.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.